If you're thinking about purchasing EngageBay, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll cover 12 key aspects that could make or break your experience with this help desk software, especially when compared to its competitors. Stay with me to make an informed decision. First up, EngageBay offers a fully integrated suite of tools, which is a big plus. Unlike other help desk software like Freshdesk or Zendesk, EngageBay combines CRM, marketing, sales, and customer service into one platform. This can streamline your workflow and reduce the need for multiple subscriptions. But while the integration is convenient, it also means that EngageBay might not be as specialized in each area compared to its standalone competitors. Next thing, pricing. EngageBay offers competitive pricing, which makes it appealing for smaller businesses. Their plans are more affordable than many other platforms like Zendesk, especially for those just starting. But you might find that some features you need are locked behind higher tier plans, so if you're looking for a fully featured plan, expect to pay a bit more. The third thing to note is the ease of use. EngageBay has a simple, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, which can save you time when compared to the more complex setups of some other options like Zoho Desk. However, it might not be as powerful or customizable for larger teams with specific needs. Moving on to the fourth thing, customer support. EngageBay has decent customer support with live chat, email, and phone options. However, when compared to competitors like Freshdesk, their support response times can sometimes lag behind, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. The fifth thing is automation. EngageBay provides basic automation features like ticket routing and autoresponders, but it doesn't match up to the advanced workflows and automation that platforms like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer. So, if you're after more intricate automation, EngageBay might fall short. The sixth thing to know is its reporting and analytics capabilities. While EngageBay has reporting tools, they aren't as advanced or customizable as other platforms like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk. If you need deep insights into your operations, this could be a limiting factor. Next thing, integrations. EngageBay supports integrations with popular platforms like Gmail, MailChimp, and Shopify. While it covers the basics, it doesn't have as many third-party integrations as Zendesk, which could be a deal breaker if you use niche tools. The eighth thing to consider is ticket management. EngageBay's ticketing system is straightforward and does the job, but it lacks some advanced features like ticket prioritization and SLA tracking found in other platforms. So, if you need a more complex ticketing system, you may want to look elsewhere. The ninth thing is the knowledge base feature. EngageBay provides a knowledge base, but it's not as robust as other platforms like Zendesk, which offer more customization and analytics. If you rely heavily on a self-service model for customers, this may not be enough for your needs. The 10th thing to keep in mind is scalability. EngageBay works well for smaller businesses, but as you grow, you might find its functionality a bit limited. Competitors like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk offer more flexible and scalable options that grow with your business. The 11th thing is security. EngageBay offers standard security features like SSL encryption, but it doesn't offer the enterprise-level security options that Zendesk or Zoho Desk provide. If security is a major concern for your business, you might want to explore other options. And the 12th thing, mobile app experience. EngageBay offers a mobile app, but it's not as polished or feature-rich as some of the other options like Freshdesk. If you need to manage your help desk on the go, this could be a factor to consider. In conclusion, EngageBay is a solid help desk solution, especially for smaller businesses looking for an affordable, all-in-one platform. However, if you're after more advanced features and scalability, or need better integrations and automation, it might not be the best fit for you. But don't worry, we've got a recommended solution that you can try for free, which could offer more of what you need. Check it out in the description below.